Hello, welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 67 Reg 420D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in Glacier Silver. The vehicle features a wide array of very sought after BMW options. Alongside being a facelift, it does of course have a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, as well as a brand new set of the very sought after 20-inch 666 competition style alloys that have 4 brand new tyres alongside being brand new themselves. Down the side of the car you can of course see it's a very clean and tidy example. We've also got the BMW gloss black air breathers. We've added the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls. You'll see on the rear windows it does have BMW sun protection glazing. We've got a really nice colour combination on this 4 Series. So you can see the outside's Glacier Silver, and we've got the coral red Dakota leather within the inside. Heated and electric lumbar option front seats, and that is exceptionally clean and tidy. It does also feature the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Moving on to the rear seats now, where we've got a very clean, very comfortable rear bench that does feature 3 seats, ISOFIX ready, central folding armrest, and that contrasting dark M Sport headlining, which works well with that lighter interior colour. Moving around towards the back of the car, again showing you off those fantastic alloys that really do work well with the Glacier Silver. We've opted to go for the carbon effect rear spoiler on this vehicle, and alongside that a high gloss rear diffuser. Whilst we open up the boot and allow you to have a look at that clean and tidy area, we are now of course offering a click and collect service here at Your Next Car. To find out a little bit more details about that, as well as about this wonderful vehicle, if you simply follow the links down below in the description, which will take you through to our website should you not already be viewing the car from there. It will give you a little bit more details about how that's going to work for you, alongside offering you still a fantastic sales service. And of course giving you prices and funding options on this vehicle, as well as all of our other incredible examples. So we're going to hop on board the car. I'm going to walk you through some more features and functions that are key to making this one of the nicest 4 Series Gran Coupes out there. We've got on board a digital cockpit option. So you can see at the moment it's a fairly normal looking display. The car's covered just over 43,000 miles. We'll start the car up and walk you through some nice features we've got. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox as I mentioned, cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. So at the moment we're just in comfort in terms of our performance mode select. When we engage sport, we get a lovely red glow on the background, and then we do of course get our large digital speedo. This will also change should we go into Eco Pro to a completely different layout. Whilst a small change, it does make all that difference to your interior experience and your owning experience towards a BMW. Really is a very sought after option, that one. We do also have the Professional Plus navigation and media screen. By Professional Plus we do all mean that this is touchscreen, as you can see there. Whilst this is touchscreen, there is still the iDrive scroll wheel down in the central console, meaning that if you're not a fan of touchscreen, it's not a problem. However, utilising all of the touchscreen capabilities on the sat-nav system makes using it a nice and easy bit of kit. So as you can see there, I can zoom, I can pinch zoom, I can even tap into destinations where I would like to go. In terms of the vehicle service history, if we go into my vehicle status, you can see there everything is highlighted in green. Going into engine oil, 12,000 miles till next service is due. And in terms of service history, again you can see we have got BMW service history all the way up to 36,000 miles. Going back out of there, we do of course have all of the regular Bluetooth telephone, Bluetooth audio, alongside a great wide array of other multimedia inputs, which do include online entertainment, music collection, and all of the regular USB and AUX inputs. So there is a look around a magnificent 4 Series Gran Coupe. I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around. As I mentioned, if you would like some more information, simply check down below in the description and that will take you through to the website, or alternatively just give us a call. Thank you very much, take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.